Good morning, first graders. The title of our story today is The Rooster and the Weather Vane. Today we're going to learn about a weather vane. This story was written by Sharon Peters. Remember, that's the author, that's the person who wrote the book, and it's illustrated by Paul Harvey. Paul Harvey, the illustrator, is the person who drew the pictures in our book, The Rooster and the Weather Vane. On the top of a hill, on the top of a roof, stands the weather vane. The weather vane has an important job to do, to tell us the directions, north, south, east, and west, and which way the wind is blowing. He must tell how the wind blows. When the wind blows, he must tell which way, using our direction words, north, south, east, and west. I have such an important job, says the weather vane. Without me, who would know which way the wind blows? Do you see the wind has blown off the farmer's hat? On the top of a hill, on the top of a fence, stands the rooster. What job does the rooster have? Does he have an important job? The rooster does have an important job to do. He must tell when it's time to rise. It means to get up. When the sun comes up, he crows and crows. I have such an important job to do, says the rooster. And he does. Without me, who would know when it's time to rise? See them all sleeping? So the rooster tells them when it's time to wake up. I could do your job, says the weather vane. Oh my goodness, let's find out. Tomorrow, I will tell when it's time to rise. We will see whose job is more important. I could do your job, says the rooster. Tomorrow I will tell which way the wind blows. We will see whose job is more important. The next day, the sun comes up. But no one knew when to rise. They continued to sleep. The next day, the wind blew. But no one knew which way. I cannot do your job, says the weather vane, and you cannot do mine. Tomorrow you do your job and I will do mine, said the rooster. We both have important jobs to do. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. I enjoyed reading to you today.